Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V for Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is Varun. So we have come back with the cheap and best series. What are we looking at today, Varun?
So this will be our third video in cheap and best series.
So as you guys have requested so many times in our previous videos, in the comments and all about to make videos on cheap and best series.
Yeah. So we have got comments like to do a video on bicycles, sportswear, kids clothes.
So
and,
we are going one by one.
Yeah.
So first we have chosen bicycles today. So we are in Chickpet now.
And the shop which we are is exactly opposite to Chickpet metro station.
Yeah, you can see the and the shop is right opposite to it. Hero Sprint store.
Giant cycle store.
Most of the people, they don't know like where to buy, so they go to Decathlon and buy the same brand.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between that cycle and the previously owned like
quality.
Hero?
So now this is the suspension mode. You can just see it.
Cool.
Now I am locking the suspension. It is completely rigid. It
Okay.
becomes a rigid force.
Guys, he's the owner of Giant Cycles. So we are going to introduce him, Varun.
Hi, this is Gautam Shah. So we'll be explaining about the shop. He will tell us what are the different ranges of cycle we get. What is the starting range?
All those stuff.
We have different range of products and cycles available in our store, and we have a variety of products for different age categories and for different specific users.
Okay.
For different users basically, and we have 6 exclusive stores in Bangalore across the Bangalore city. Right now we are at the heart of the city, which is in Chickpet, right opposite to the metro station. We have our store which is in the Chickpet area. So here we have cycles for kids starting from the right age of 2 till we have for adults, we have for teenagers, we have for different ages.
Do you sell it for retailers also?
Yeah, we do sell it to retailers also. So this is a store where we sell the wholesale products.
Okay.
So there, if you just project,
Okay.
you will see on the ceiling, you will see all the kids' bikes,
Okay.
starting from the age of 2.
Okay.
So that side. So these are all the kids' bikes for the age of 2 till about 6 to 7 years.
Okay.
And then if you see, these are the bikes which goes from the age of 6 to 10.
Okay.
These are all the kids' bikes again.
Okay. So
What is the price range?
So the kids range bike starts from about 2,000 rupees and goes on, depends on the quality.
Okay.
Like this is a magnesium model.
Magnesium.
Made of magnesium with disc brakes
Okay.
and very sporty model. This is another model which comes with 21 gears, double disc brake with suspensions. So this is one model. So these are all the latest high-end sports models which people prefer to buy.
okay. So
So-
for kids itself, so many
Yeah, so
features are there
options-
nowadays.
yes.
Yeah.
So starting from 2,000 to 15,000 rupees, we have a lot of ranges.
Okay.
And if you look at this on the wall,
Okay.
we have the complete wall of fame for all the adults,
Okay.
starting from 6 gears till 30 gears. So you can see that we have a range of products from right about from 7,000 till 30,000 rupees right away in our stores. So this is the complete bouquet of products. So once you drop in, we will actually give you a trial and a test drive of models,
Okay.
which will be suitable for your height, for
Okay.
your weight, and for your personality, and depend on the kind of rides you're going to conduct. Whether are you going to be commuting to work, or you're going to be commuting to office, and is it for fitness, or it's going to be for grocery shopping for women. So we have women specific models also.
If you can name some brands of different.
So here
brands
we have about majorly we deal with a brand called as Hero. So as you see, this is a Hero Sprint.
Okay.
And along with Hero, we have other brands like Hercules, DSA, Cross. Then we have other brands like imported brands like Firefox, Trek, Snell.
Almost all the brands.
We have about, in our range here, we have about close to 12 to 13 different brands in our
Okay.
bouquet to offer.
If someone from outside Bangalore he wants cycles like a retailer or someone, you can ship them cycles, right? Like if he calls
certainly,
and gives you some
certainly. Oh, yes.
call.
So they just have
In
to
fact,
contact you.
so that is the B2B is what it is.
Yeah, B2B.
We get customers all the way from Hoskote,
Okay.
which is beyond Whitefield and such areas, who come just to this area to buy a bicycle and they go back, which is close to almost 45-50 kilometers. All the way from Nelmangla people come.
Okay.
All the way from Devanalli people come to this location because this has been from the 1950s.
Okay.
This has been the cycle oldest market
Okay.
where you get the best product at a reasonable price with the good quality and the right service.
Okay.
So that is what we specialize. We have our other stores also in Jayanagar, in Marathalli, in Banarghatta Road, in Kormangla, in Gandhinagar.
Okay.
So you can drop in and feel the product. We have made a track in our stores
Okay.
where you can actually feel the product, ride the cycle before buying it as well.
The
Not
store
in this
name
store.
is the same or it's
It's
different?
in the
in
same
different-
name. In
Giant
the
Cycles,
Giant
right?
Cycle stores.
Okay.
It's there since it's a more high-end and a sporty product,
Okay.
and we deal in more high-end.
Okay.
Named as Giant Pro Bikes.
Pro bikes.
Yes.
Giant Pro bikes,
So
right?
this model is from a brand called as BSA, which is in the range of 3,600 rupees.
3,600.
Okay.
This will cost you in the range of 4,200 rupees.
Okay.
4,200.
4,000.
Including all those carriers.
Including all the accessories completely, including the GST, including everything. Take home is at 4,200. And the bike category, we have different models like non-geared bicycles, geared bicycles. So what we have a mix and range of geared cycles, non-geared cycles, starting from 7,000 goes
Okay.
on till about 30,000 rupees also.
Okay.
So if you talk about something like this, which comes with double disc brakes and 21 gears, suspensions, double wall rings,
Okay.
everything with a square sporty model with a wide handlebar, will cost you in the range of 10,000 rupees.
Outside, if you're paying 10,000, will not get even the normal gear
No.
cycle. This is 2,000 rupees.
What are the different categories if you come to like adult cycles? There are different
The
categories,
different
on-road,
categories-
off-road and all, right?
Yeah. So different categories, if you ask me, yes, for adults we have three major categories.
Okay.
One is the mountain bike range, in which you have for the city riding as well as off-roading. The second is the hybrid series, which goes for city riding and long rides also.
Okay.
And one is the last is the road bike, wherein
Oh.
which it is mainly for cross country, wherein which you go for long distance driving, and wherein which you can cover a lot of speed in a lesser time.
Okay.
What is the
that-
starting price in that category?
In the road bike category, starts from about 15,000 onwards.
15,000 will get.
Will be the base model
Base
without
model,
gear,
yeah.
and goes up till the range of about close to even 2.5 lakhs,
Okay.
which comes with carbon frames, which
Oh.
is as light as
Lightweight.
about 4 to 5 kilos also.
Okay.
So we have those ranges also, which we display in our other premium store.
Thank you. Because people get confused with categories and all. That's why they don't know properly, clearly.
True, true.
Yeah.
Hero Sprint series.
Okay.
This is the professional series basically, wherein which people can do off-riding. So they can go for long distances also. So the frame, if you see, the design is very aerodynamic, and the wheels are of a biggest size, which is a 29-inch wheel. So when they are riding on the road, the circumference of the wheel is much bigger in gears with dual disc brakes. So that actually increases the speed and leverages on different aspects, like if the rider wants to go for a longer distance, he can very easily go with the help of the gearing. So this is the MRP of this is 24,000 rupees.
Okay.
The wholesale price what we offer is at 18,000 rupees. Products available in any store of ours.
Okay.
So this is a brand called as Toronto, which is a brand from Canada.
Okay.
It's a Canadian brand basically.
Oh.
It comes with a complete aluminum frame,
Okay.
which is very lightweight, and it comes with completely internal cabling, wherein which you don't see the cable coming out anywhere or anything. Let it be the gear cable or the brake cable. It's completely the 2021 edition, which comes with completely internal cabling. And if you see the frame design, very seamless, and this comes with very good decals, and it comes with very good options of locking this suspension.
Okay.
You can lock the suspension basically on the, say this, you can make it like a road bike, or you can make it a mountain bike.
Yeah. You can take it off road also
You
basically.
can
Yeah.
take this off-roading. So now this is the suspension mode. You can just see this.
Cool.
Now I am locking the suspension. It is completely rigid. It
Okay.
becomes a rigid force. So this is one speciality, and plus this comes with completely. This is a brand called as Pro Wheel Crank, which is one of the best in the world,
Okay.
which makes the most premium cranks. The derailleurs are the Shimano Tourney
Okay.
in the front, and even on the rear it is Shimano Tourney. Even the freewheel is Shimano, and the disc brakes are of a brand called as Tektro, which are again renowned brands of the world. So in terms of the wheels, these are the alloy wheels again with double wall rims,
Okay.
and it again comes with very nice spoke quality, so that you can get a long lasting ride.
What about the service and all? Like, do you
So,
provide service?
Yes, we have our complete service team,
Okay.
and we have dedicated service mechs who are trained from the best places of the world, and we have dedicated service shops in our stores where one can come and any kind of product, let it be any brand in the world, we will do the service for that particular product
Okay.
and satisfy the customer.
Cool. So what's the price range of this Toronto?
So the MRP of this is in the range of 36,990.
Okay.
The wholesale price of this is 28,000 rupees.
28,000.
28,000.
That's cool. Really cool.
And it comes with a 680 handlebar,
Okay.
which makes this, you get the handlebar is quite wide, so when you are on the road, you get a very good road grip to ride with particular bicycle. So this is one of the most premium products which are available also.
Okay. These are some of the accessories.
These are some of the accessories which we kind of complement with each of the cycles when a customer buys a product.
Okay.
So probably, this is something which is also a good part of the bicycle.
Most of the people, they don't know like where to buy, so they go to Decathlon and buy the same brand.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between that cycle and the previously owned
So
like
quality
Hero
wise, if you
quality
talk
wise?
about, they are at par with what we have been selling,
Okay.
because again they do not have a direct source of manufacturing.
Yeah.
They again
That's
get
the
it
thing.
manufactured in Ludhiana
Okay.
in different factories. In fact, one of our brands, Hero, also makes for Decathlon
Okay.
and brands it in the name of Decathlon and B-Twin,
Okay.
and again rebrands it and gives it to them.
Oh.
So basically, we can give the same quality at a much affordable pricing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's it for today. We have provided the link below, and you can come and meet Gautam.
Yeah, most awaiting all of you to drop into our stores, and we will give you some great bikes to have a great fitness. Sure. Thank you.
And I'll put your contact number in the description.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it for today, guys. You saw different varieties of cycles, and we got to know about different categories available also. And the price range starts from 2,000 and it goes up to 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs also. So depending on your budget, you can come here, you can select any cycle that suits you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.